Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Greg and this is my 2015 Ford F-150. Excuse the bumper not being on there. I am building an aftermarket bumper for that. But this video is for the Ford Raptor grille and how to wire up the lights.
It's just fired.
I made a video a long time ago about how to install it, but I know there's people looking for this on Google and how to wire these lights. And I have had them wired for almost a year now, so I know the way that I wired them works and I know it doesn't mess anything up. Basically, these lights in the middle, the three lights, will run off this light right here. That's the way I did it. I think other people would do it differently, but I know this way works. I've had it hooked up like this for over a year. And I basically just had it in here and I had them electrical taped together, but you can see this is where it goes into the back of the headlight, and I spliced into these wires here. There's a connector right here. See, this is one of your turn signal lights. This is actually the light that goes here, and we just spliced into it. I cut the wires on the back side of this. This is the wire to these lights, and it's ran over here. As you can see, there's two wires that come off of these three lights. So basically, all you need to do is wire into this light here. If you want these to come on when your parking lights are on, whenever you just have the amber lights on, these lights will be on also. I know this way works because I've had it wired up this way for a long time and it hasn't blown any fuses or blown any bulbs. It's been hooked up like this for over a year. But today I'm gonna wire it up the right way. I went and picked these up at O'Reilly's. I believe they were like just under $5. Anyways, we're gonna be soldering these wires, crimping these on. That way this grill can be taken off and put back on, and you don't have to do any cutting any wires. And we're gonna do it the right way. I had it just twisted together and electrical tape on there, but now that I have the bumper off and I'm doing all this, I figured I might as well finish this and do it the right way. I got my cheap little soldering iron already heated up, and we're just gonna go ahead and melt it on there. So that's it on the soldering. This little pack comes with male and female connectors that just plug into each other. And we're gonna take these and we're gonna crimp them on our soldered parts. Got some heat shrink tubing. We're gonna put this on there too, just to weatherproof it a little bit better. You can pick this stuff up at Harbor Freight. And if it's on Amazon and it's cheaper, I'll put a link in the description. Because when you go through my link to Amazon, it helps me, supports this channel. And yeah, so if you're gonna buy something on Amazon, go through that link in the description, please. have it. We got our connectors done. got that one a little bit too hot and melted it a little bit. It'll be all right though. Put this back in its socket where it goes. There you have it. Your red wire is gonna go into your brown and yellow wire, and your black wire is gonna go into your black and white wire. And that's it. And you just kind of tuck this away. Tuck it down in there. Tuck it around. That's it. And we will turn these on so you can see that they work. Turn it to our parking lights. And voila. So that way it works, and it's worked for me for over a year now. I've had it wired into this light, and that light hasn't blown or anything, and that's a good spot to hook it up. So if this video helped you out at all, make sure to give it a like and hit that subscribe button. I'll be doing more videos on the F-150 in the future, and I will see you guys later. Peace.